All right, so we're about to enter the Grange Subway system here at Vimy Ridge. This would have been right behind the frontline trench. Here you can see one of the communication trenches that would have run to the frontline trenches, which are just up there.
Yes.
It's game day. Straight for the all year, Dave. Can't let troops down.
So the tunnels are cut into chalk.
So you guys can just get on both sides of the walls and then face.
They would have been in the past much brighter.
Let everybody come down. So you just yeah. So what we're seeing now is a tunnel that has been modified. So originally Grange Tunnel would have been about 1 meter wide to 2 meters tall, and also would have been an arch shape to support itself. So there wouldn't have been concrete down here or metal grates. Also would have been very much dark in here, so about a light bulb every 20 meters. So I'm just gonna close the lights to kind of show you what it would have looked like back then. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on the lights. So the tunnels were modified when the monument was built in 1925. So as you're walking through, you can look at the inscriptions on the wall. We don't know if they are dated from the First World War, since the tunnels were open after the war and during the Second World War. So as you're going through, just imagine walking through darkness. So the group at the front can head down this way, and my colleague will meet you further down in the tunnel. And don't worry, you're not gonna get lost, it's just straight.
So the tunnels were widened. They were much narrower during the war, and obviously much darker. There was only, as they mentioned, only a light every 20 meters, and much lower wattage bulbs.
We want to have space for everyone on here. Problem? Just close the door behind the group. Okay.
So you can use it to like
Yeah, I know.
Yes, I agree.
How many kilometers of tunnels are there? Did you say 10?
10.
10 kilometers?
There's huge amounts of tunnel under here. There's many of them you can't go into. Like they have professional tunnel explorers that go.
Oh, okay.
And they found all kinds of cool. If you go on like YouTube and you Google like Vimy tunnels, you'll be able to find like some documentaries and stuff about them. steps are screwing me up here.
What's that, Dave?
The steps are screwing me up.